do? I hope you are keeping fine. Okay? Today I am here to teach you general knowledge. Children, do you like to see some birds? Yes, here are some birds you can watch. When you are watching, how many birds are there? Count it and try to remember the names. बर्ड्स का नाम याद रखना है. Watch carefully. Okay, did you enjoy? Yes. Now I am asking some small questions. Okay, are you ready to give the answer? Yes. How many birds were there? वहां पे कितने बर्ड्स थे? How many were there? Yes, 8. Can you name some of the birds? At least 3 birds. Peacock, parakeet, pigeon. Okay, very good. Now you have to say the name of the bird which you like more. Some may like peacock, some may like parrot, some may like pigeon. Okay? Then I think that most of you like parrot, isn't it? Yes. Today we are going to start our GK first lesson. The name of the lesson is P for parakeet. What is the name of the lesson? P for parakeet. Do you know the spelling? What is the spelling of parakeet? P-A-R-A-K-E-E-T. Parakeet. All of you know the color of the parakeet, isn't it? What is the color of the parakeet? The color of the parakeet is green. The color of the parakeet is green. Then it has got a beautiful beak. The color of the beak is red. Parakeet has red beak. Then what is the shape of the eye of parakeet? The shape of the eye is round. Parakeet's eyes are round in shape. Then parakeet has 2 wings. What is wing? What is wing? Wing means punk. Do you have wings? No. We have hands. Instead of our hands, birds have wings. Wings help the birds to fly. पंख helps the birds उड़ते हैं. Then parakeet has a long tail. It has got a long tail. Do you know what do parakeet like to eat? Parakeet like to eat seeds and chilies. It like to eat chili and seeds. Then children, do you know some birds are there that cannot fly? There are some birds that cannot fly. क्या आपको पता है कि कुछ birds होते हैं जो उड़ते नहीं हैं? Which are the birds? जैसे ostrich and penguins. It cannot fly. But the ostrich, it can run so fast. Ostrich can run very fast. We make birds unhappy when we keep them in the cage. Birds like to fly in the sky. So don't keep the birds in the cage. Birds को पिंजर में नहीं रखना चाहिए क्योंकि birds पिंजर में कुछ नहीं रखेगी. These are the things we learn about the birds. Our lesson is about parakeet. Now you can take your book, page number 214. Page number 214. First lesson is P for parakeet. There is a picture of parakeet. In the book you see what is the name of the parakeet there? Yes, Kiki. The name of the parakeet is Kiki. Then I have round eyes. Just to see the eyes. The eyes of the parakeet is round in shape. Then I have a red beak. Then there is some boxes are there. You have to fill in the box. Have you seen other birds which are green? You have to fill in the box. The spelling of green you have to write there. Then my wings help me to fly in the blue sky. In the box you have to write the spelling of wings. What is the spelling of wings? W-I-N-G-S. That you have to write. Then I love to eat seeds and chilies. You have to complete the box. What is the spelling of chili? C-H-I-L-L-I-E-S. So you have to complete in this book. Then you have your copy, isn't it? GK copy? Yes, in your GK copy you have to write the first lesson, the name of the lesson, P for parakeet. And you try to draw the picture of parakeet and color it. Okay? You have to draw the picture and give the color. Okay, very good.